Before we operate the machine, we need to focus on the some steps and some notice. We need to connect the machine to the crossbar ground system. Okay, we need to connect with here. We have this wire. We need to connect I knot. We need to put underground. Okay, before we operate the machine. So it's make sure that the machine is safety. Okay. The second, we need to we need to keep the electrical cabinets locked, so we don't leave the cabinets door open. So we need to take care after when we turn the machine. We need to leave all the dust and to make sure that the dust cannot into the cabinets, because when the dust goes into the cabinets, it affects to the machine. So if the dust we need to if metal dust enter, if the dust enter the cabinets and the machine, we use a vacuum cleaner to remove the dust and don't use the pressure here or the fan to blow the dust away. Okay.